Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily embed a video in a Mailchimp email. Whether you're sending out a marketing newsletter, a welcome email, or just want to spice up your message with some eye-catching video content, you'll learn exactly how to get that video right in front of your readers in just a few minutes. Even if you've never done this before, stick with me and by the end, you'll know how to confidently add videos to your Mailchimp campaigns, boost your engagement, and really stand out in your subscribers' inboxes. Alright, let's jump right in. First, you'll want to go to your Mailchimp campaign design. This is the space where all the magic happens. It doesn't matter if you're starting a brand new email or editing an existing one, just make sure you're in the design editor where you see the different blocks and layout options. If you're new to Mailchimp, think of this like arranging furniture in a room. You can move things around to get just the look you want. Give yourself a moment to look around, and once you're ready, we'll go on to the next step. Next, find the video block in the Content Blocks menu, usually sitting with other options like text or images. Go ahead and drag the video block into your email layout wherever you'd like the video to appear. This is as simple as clicking, holding, and sliding it over, kind of like dragging a puzzle piece into place. Don't worry if you're not sure where it looks best, you can always move it later. This step is important because Mailchimp's video block does more than just display a video. It actually pulls in a thumbnail with a play button and links out to your video, which grabs attention and increases your click-through rate. It's a small detail, but it goes a long way when you want your readers to actually watch your content. Now comes the crucial part, actually linking your video. Head to YouTube, Vimeo, or wherever your video is hosted. Just make sure it's a public link that people can access. Once you're there, simply copy the web address from the top of your browser. For example, if you've uploaded a tutorial or a product demo to YouTube, just copy that URL. This step is the bridge between your video and your audience, so double-check that you're grabbing the right link. Now head back over to Mailchimp and paste the URL into the video block settings. Mailchimp does something really smart here. It fetches the preview image automatically and overlays the play button for you, so your readers know exactly what to expect. This way, the email still loads quickly, but when someone clicks, they get taken straight to your video. Pretty handy, right? Remember to hit save so you don't lose your changes. This part just takes a second, but it's easy to forget if you're moving quickly. Give yourself a pat on the back, you've embedded a video in your Mailchimp email. That's really all it takes. Your video will show up looking clean and clickable, and now you're ready to finish your email and send it out to your audience. So that's it. Embedding a video in Mailchimp is quick, super effective, and a fantastic way to level up your email campaigns. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Mailchimp tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next email blast.